Welcome back to Daytime Live. World Autism Day takes place tomorrow, that's April 2nd, and TVJ, local filmmaker showcase, has an animation that's at its central figure. Is a little boy who is autistic. Now, joining us via Zoom is filmmaker Noria Dixon, and in studio with us is dancehall producer, DJ, and actor Benzley Hype. Welcome, Noria. Welcome, Benzley.
Welcome.
Scrack you the lack in the pack of the Mackie.
That was interesting to me, you know.
All right, so before we talk to you both, we're going to take a look at the trailer for Ethan Art Venture. Let's check it out.
Ethan, time to give that pencil a break and get ready for bed.
Okay, Mom.
You have that big art competition tomorrow. Love you.
Love you too, Mom. Now, it's time to draw.
In life, you have the power to create and recreate the narrative.
This is crazy.
Redesign, man.
Zaza says to make a wish. Mr. Gregory, what are you doing in my dreams?
You think this teaching thing pay no money? Everybody need a side job, a prime time or whatever you want to call it. All right? Make your wish, no boy.
Your passion can be expressed beautifully through any pencil, if it comes from the heart. That's what brings your drawings to life.
Huh?
Good morning. This drawing should come from the heart. It should be something from deep within inside you where one come out.
I wish to be the best artist.
Ethan, you're going to be late. Hurry up.
What?
The best ever is my vision and it's all that I see. The best ever.
That's cut up for real.
Nice.
Noria, I'm seeing this trailer. What really inspired you to do a short film on autism of all topics, and why animation?
Well, first, for the autism question, at that time, my son was in his early stages of development, and I was told to look into these things, so I started to do my research. You know, even though he wasn't diagnosed with autism, I learned a lot about it, and I was very fascinated, and I saw that it was a superhuman power. And I felt that if it was deep focus or even having wisdom, they were able to see the world in a different way. And I was very fascinated by that.
Okay, but so why did you decide to make it animation, though?
Well, my son at the time, he was 7 years old, and I moved to Miami, kind of away from the film network that I was building. And that was my first time doing animation. I felt like, okay, I could just make the script and delegate and just hire the people and get it done like that. So that what inspired me. And then my son at the time, he was also drawing, and his drawings were really like good. I didn't know how he was able to do it. So when I get bigger boards and bigger paper, he was doing, I thought he was tracing and things. So I was inspired. He inspired me to do that. I saw that when you believe in something so much and when you hone it, it just comes naturally and organic.
Gotcha.
You know, I would ask everybody here to just give a round of applause, because this is an award-winning film. You have won several awards for this. Could you tell me some of the awards that you have won?
I have won Best Animation for the New Jersey Film Festival, for the Hip Hop Film Festival, for the Orlando Urban Film Festival, for ChemFest. We won Best Story, and a few others. There's several other that we won awards for when it came to the story and just the passion and speaking about autism and highlighting it as a superhuman power.
Awesome stuff. Great stuff. All right, so we'll go.
Excited to do
All
it,
right,
man.
so Benzley, we're going to move over to you for a little bit. Tell us how you got involved in the project and why it was important to you.
Well, I got involved because a friend of mine, Ryan, knows Nuri. I think Nuri hit him up and said she needs somebody to be in part, and he just said, yeah, Benzley. So she hit me up, and I was in Florida at the time, and we just made it link up, and then, you know, she gave me the script, and I was like, yo, let me translate this yard style.
Yeah.
I just put the Jamaican oomph on it, and, and that came up. But incidentally, my son is autistic. I was autistic, and you know, it's very important that you have things like this out there. You know what I mean?
Sure.
For the kids to really get and realize that they can be, you know what I mean, more than what people tell them that they can be.
Right.
What characters do you play?
In this, I am the man in the school, and I am the Obia man as well. I am the Obia man / teacher, put it that way. So by day, I'm the teacher. By night, I'm the man that grants dreams, all the dreams and all the hocus pocus. So work with it. That is it.
So like it's true to life, yeah.
All right, so what is it that you want families who have children with autism to take away from this film?
What I wanted to, as I said, that anything is possible.
Yeah.
Regardless of whatever so-called disability they may tell you. Sometimes those disabilities are really superpowers.
Correct.
You know what I mean? So, you know, that to me is the most important thing that this animation.
Awesome.
Noria, you can give us your view on the same question. You know, what do you want families and persons to take away from this project?
I want people to, what I would like for them to take away is to not limit themselves when it comes to labels, and to see themselves as unique and special in their own individual way.
Awesome.
And I think that is empowering.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. Thank you both very much.
Yeah,
tell us quickly where we can find each of you on social media, where we can find more about the film on social media.
Well, you can find Benzley Hype at benzleyhypeja.com, and everywhere else on social media is Benzley Hype, BNZLYHYPE. You don't know. Everywhere you can find it. Think a joke.
Noria, can we find you?
Well, you can find the Ethan Art Ventures at Ethan_Art_Venture_.
All right, guys, you saw the trailer. We got to hear from Noria and also Benzley. And Ethan Art Venture, it airs on TVJ tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. So ensure you check it out.
Yeah, make sure you check it out. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back, and joining us is Walshifire, who will be talking to us about his book, Art and Dancehall. So far.